In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Genspark with Slack. By the end, you'll have Genspark added to your Slack workspace so you can access its AI tools without leaving your conversations. First, head to the official Genspark Slack integration page. This is the page with the Add to Slack button. It's best to do this in a desktop browser so you can see everything clearly and switch accounts if needed. Before you click anything, make sure you're signed in to the Slack workspace where you want Genspark installed. If you use multiple workspaces, glance at the workspace name in the top right of Slack so you don't add the app to the wrong place. Click the Add to Slack button. This opens Slack's authorization screen in a new tab or window. Think of this as Slack's way of confirming what Genspark can do in your workspace and ensuring you approve it. If you're not already signed into Slack, you'll be prompted to log in, and if you see a workspace selector, choose the correct one. Take a moment to review the permissions. You'll see what Genspark needs access to, such as reading messages where it's mentioned and sending replies. These permissions allow Genspark to respond when you tag it or trigger its tools. If your workspace has restrictions on installing apps that aren't in the official directory, you may see a note indicating admin approval is required. In that case, an administrator will need to allow the app before you can proceed. This is normal in organizations with stricter controls. Once everything looks good, authorize the app. If you're an admin, you can complete the allow or authorize step right away. If not, you might be prompted to request approval, and an admin will complete the authorization. Either way, when you're ready, click the Allow or Authorize button to confirm. After authorization, you'll see a confirmation message from Slack indicating the installation is complete. That means Genspark is now part of your workspace. You should also see Genspark listed under Apps in your Slack sidebar. If you don't see it immediately, try refreshing Slack or checking that you're in the workspace where you installed it. From here, Genspark is available to use in your channels and direct messages when appropriate. And that's it. You went to the Genspark integration page, clicked Add to Slack, reviewed permissions, authorized the app, and confirmed the installation. If you run into permission prompts or approval workflows, coordinate with your Slack admin and repeat the authorization step once access is granted. Enjoy having Genspark's AI right inside Slack.